Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul. This haul is going to be sort of like a pre-fall haul. These pieces are super cute and I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I'm so sorry that everything is literally from Forever 21. I mean, it's my favorite store, so. Oh, and if you guys notice anything different, I dyed my hair again. I'm just obsessed with killing my hair, obviously, but it's purple now and I'm super into it. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off with accessories first because I only have 3 things. And like I said, everything in this haul is basically from Forever 21. If not, I will tell you otherwise. But the first thing are these pair of glasses. They don't look that cute, but I just thought they were just a really simple black pair of glasses. I mean, I look like a meme, but I don't know. I really like it. I like the look of it. It's kind of like vintage retro and I'm digging it. I don't have like a simple black pair of glasses. Next 2 things are cabbie hats. You know I am obsessed with cabbie hats during the fall time because I literally just think they pair with anything and everything. These 2 are not from Forever 21. This one is a black cabbie hat, an all black cabbie hat with silver detailing. And this one is from H&M, and this is just my favorite. I don't want to put it on because I don't want to ruin my hair, but this is my go-to hat. I used to wear their like tan colored ones, which is the same exact style, but now that I got the black one, it is perfection because I can wear it with everything. The next one I got from Urban Outfitters. It was like on sale for $9.99. I still have the tag, but I really love that this is kind of like a denim blue color. You can match it with your jeans, kind of have like a denim on denim look. It's really nice, and it's still a pretty neutral and basic color that you can wear with everything. So I've been also obsessed with this, and I love how this one has gold detailing because I almost wear all gold jewelry. Moving on to shoes, because I also only have 3 things. I'm kind of going with what I have less of and then working my way up. The first pair of shoes are kind of weird, kind of like not my style, but these are just a pair of Adidas. It kind of has like a corkscrew material. I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like the cork, you know, that you take off like a wine. It has the same exact material. Everything is nude and it's suede. It's really cool and unique. I don't really see like shoes like these. The next pair of shoes are actually from Target, and these babies are pointed white flats. They're like mule flats, I would say. I am obsessed with these. I used to wear this all the time during the summer, and now that it's like kind of getting a little chillier and you want to cover up those toes but you still want your feet to breathe, I think sandals or flats are like the best option, and these are white. I feel like they just make an outfit look a lot more polished and mature, and I just really love this. I think pointed sandals are gonna be so in this fall. So these are from Target. I believe they were like $25. They are still there, so go ahead and check them out. They have a ton of colors, and I just so happened to get the white one. The next pair of sandals I got are from TJ Maxx. They are from Dr. Scholl's, and they're kind of like this off gray colored sandals. I really like the height of it, and I just love these types of sandals where it's not too high and it just looks cute on the feet. I don't really like feet, but I think it looks cute on my feet. And I love the detailing on it. It kind of has like a snakeskin detail. I don't know if you guys can even see, but it kind of has like, don't mind my nail, okay? It ripped off during work, but it kind of has this snake scale detailing, and I love it so much. I think it brings out like such a unique touch to the shoe. By the way, I am so sorry that this isn't going to be a try-on haul. I just wanted to show you guys the clothes that I got because I am going to be creating a video where I style these pieces. So I just want to save that part for that video, if you guys kind of understand. But I will leave pictures if I do find them online if you guys want a better look at it, I'll leave it on this side or this side, I don't know. But now we're gonna move on to clothes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show the pants portion. And the first pants I got was actually a birthday gift from my friend Jocelyn. Thank you so much. These are bright red pants, and you may think they're just normal pants, but that took a while. But at the bottom it actually flares out. It is super cute and girly. It's not really my type of style, but I think it's really fun and unique to kind of test and play around with it. I have been loving the color red lately, and I think it is just gonna be like the perfect color for this fall, like the bright and bold red. I don't know why. Okay, the next pair of pants is actually from Zara, and it's these dark navy blue and white and black striped pants. They're kind of like culottes, I would say. Culottes, I don't even know. They're culottes pants basically, and they're super high-waisted. They have these cute black button detailing on the side. They just fit me really, really nicely, and they're so comfortable. And with a black bodysuit, they just look so cute with it, and I think I'm gonna wear this a ton in the fall time because I just love wearing comfortable pants in the fall time. So the next pair of pants I have are these wild pants. So these pants are kind of like a gingham styled pants. They're super patterned, and I love my patterned pants, but these are just high-waisted patterned pants. Oh my god, that is like such a tongue twister. These are from Forever 21. I love these so much, and I just love wearing these with like bright red tops. I don't know why, I just let these like stand out on its own, but a bright red top with this type of like gingham style, super cute. Last pair of pants I want to show you are definitely out of my comfort zone and kind of out of my style. These are just a pair of khaki colored cargo pants. I am trying to like give this out a try. I am a little bit more girlier now with my style, but I think adding a girly touch to this with a cute top and booties or sandals, it would be me. But right now, I don't really know how to style it. I just thought I would just give this a try. These fit super nicely, surprisingly. These are from Forever 21, and they just fit really nicely. They're high-waisted, and I really like them. So I'm gonna give them out a try and see, you know, how I'm gonna wear this. By the way, I just got another new tattoo here. This is my baby. My favorite one so far. Okay, moving on to tops now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some sweaters first though, because I only have like 3. But the first sweater top that I have is this one right here. This is kind of like a dark green colored long sleeve with a turtleneck, and it has nude stripes as well. And I kind of got the wrong color. I wanted the black one, but when I got this in the mail, it was green. So I was like, did I order the wrong one? And I did, but surprisingly, I really like the green colored because I have nothing like this in my wardrobe. The next thing that I want to show you is a sweater, and this is also green. This is actually a present from my manager, so thank you so much. This is super cute and super soft and comfortable, and I think basic sweaters like this just goes with anything. You can tuck it into jeans. Honestly, you could wear it however you want to wear it. I just think simple sweaters like this, you can just throw it on any time of the day. Whenever it gets chilly at night, just throw this on and you're good to go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm like literally revealing everything. The last sweater that I got is super cute. This is kind of like a rusty orange red color. I don't even know. But this sweater is such a good material for Forever 21. No offense. This sweater is super unique because of all of the edges of the sweater. It kind of has like these scissor cut edges. I don't even know how to describe it. These are just really cute, super comfortable, and I cannot wait to wear this sweater. I just love how baggy it is. It is a size small, but it's already like supposed to be oversized. So I love that. Moving on to tops. This top is also a present from one of my friends, Melanie. So thank you so much. This kind of reminds me of like Harry Potter. Like, doesn't it give you Harry Potter vibes? But it's super cute. It's kind of like a schoolgirl kind of outfit, but I love the colors because it screams fall. It's literally maroon and yellow. So it screams fall. It's V-neck, which I love. And it's also tight forming, so I really like how snug it is on my body. Moving on to the girlier tops, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is from Forever 21. Let me show you guys. It is super, super cute. It ties on the side. It's deep V-neck. And I just love this length of like the sleeve. I don't know. I just love the length of the sleeve. I love the pattern of it. It's just cute. This one right here is a red peplum kind of styled top. Kind of reminds me of like Handmaid's Tale. I don't really know, but I love the fit of this top. I love the style of it, and these poofed up sleeves have been so in lately, and I think this is still kind of like a summer style, but you can definitely transition this into fall. Next top was also a present from my manager, and it is just this deep maroon top with these pretty little blue flower details all over it. And it is a wrap top, so it has like a deep V-neck, but I love wrap tops. I think they're super, super cute, and this is still kind of airy for those like summer hot days, but it gets colder at night type of things. This is like really, really cute, perfect for the pre-fall kind of season. Next top is another wrap top. This one is a lot more cropped, and the sleeves are a lot more, I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like more flowy. So this is a little bit more summery, but it is black, so you can just transition it into fall. And you can always wear high-waisted boyfriend jeans or high-waisted pants with this. It's black and white, so it goes with basically anything that you would like. I'm getting to the point where I'm just being repetitive and I don't really know what to say about these clothes, because honestly I just bought them because they're so cute. Next top is this baby right here, which is such a super deep V-neck. It definitely shows a lot, so you do have to wear a bralette underneath, which is what I normally do anyways. But this one is kind of like a nude and white top. I really like the details of it. It just buttons up. Okay, so this is what the top actually looks like. It's not that super V-neck actually, but I think it's still super cute. It has a similar style from the past two tops that I showed you, which is clearly what I've been loving lately, and I think this is just perfect again for the summer to fall season. Forever 21 top. This one is a white off the shoulder top. This is a lot more fitted, and the sleeves are still poofed up, but I really, really like that. It actually came with like a string that goes around your neck, but I cut it off because I thought it was way cuter just on its own like this. And I think just a white top like this goes with anything. It isn't too cropped, but it is still like, you know, it still shows a little of your stomach. I think it's just super cute and it fits really nicely on my body. Last top I have to show you is this one right here. This is V-neck galore, okay? Front and back, okay? It is peplum, it is girly, and this is probably what I would wear like the first month of fall, September, you know? Because I feel like this would be too cold if you wore it like October, November. Even with a bralette on, it just shows too much skin. But I think it's still super cute for now. I love wearing this with white high-waisted jeans, which is what I've been wearing it with. But I think it's super, super cute with like tight jeans, since this is kind of flowy at the top. So love this top so much. Moving on to the dresses because I have a lot. Can I see this? I've been obsessed with dresses. Okay, the first dress I want to show you is this one right here. This buttons all the way down, and I did not feel like buttoning it all the way down because these nails make it so hard to button things. But you kind of get the gist of it. It buttons all the way down. It has a slight flare to it, and it is like a mini dress. So it is definitely summer to fall. I think the color reminds me of like fall because it's kind of like a deep red color. And in the fall time, I would definitely wear this with a leather jacket. I mean, it's just super cute. and girly, but adding like that slight edginess to it. Next dress I want to show you is also definitely like fall themed. I just love the colors and the flowers into it. It is super flowy and airy, and it is a wrap dress. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is a wrap dress. It is a deep v-neck as well, and it just has a slight flare to it as well. It's really, really cute, and I'll insert a picture somewhere in this video to show you guys what it looked like on the model because it's so cute. The next dress is actually a present, but this one I've had in my cart for so long because I think it's super cute. I love the peach color, the pink, and like the orange into the stripes. I love the buttons. It's very like big. I just really love the fit of it. It is a midi dress, so pairing this with like sandals that I showed you guys from earlier would look super cute with this. The only thing is that it is very, very like showy in the front, okay? And I don't got a lot to show, but I would definitely wear a bralette under this because it is very deep and shows a lot, which is like the only downside, but I love the fit of it and I just really love this dress. The next thing that I got is not really a dress, it's more of a romper, and it's so cute, but it is definitely like out of my style. It kind of reminds me of like prison outfits, but I don't know. I'll show you the picture reference that I saw on the website of Forever 21. It looked so cute, like how she styled it, and I think I would definitely put like my Gucci belt over the waist. I think it would look really, really cute, and wear like black leather ankle booties. That would be so cute. The next dress that I got is different from what I normally get because I normally don't like tight dresses, but this is just a plain black bodycon midi dress, and surprisingly I've been wearing this a ton because it's just super comfortable, super breathable. This is from Forever 21, and I actually like wearing this when I'm going out buying errands or something. It's just a really simple outfit when you wear slippers or something on your way out. It's really cute and really comfortable, and you can also dress this up if you want, if you're going out at night, but normally I wear this during the day when I'm going grocery shopping, which is so weird, you know, wearing like a dress, but it's so cute. Okay, the last thing on this haul, I had to save it because I had to save the best for last. This is a dress from Forever 21, and it is the cutest dress ever. It's a wrap dress. It flares at the end, as you can see. It's so cute. It's like a mini dress. It has these sleeves right here. It's see-through, and it has this beautiful like flower detailing all over the dress. It just screams fall, and I just can't wait to wear it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it because I don't go out, but I think this is just such a pretty dress. And the best part was I got it for $7 in the sale section. $7 for this beauty right here. I mean, I know that it's missing like a string that goes around the waist, but honestly, you don't really need that. This dress is still cute without the string. With or without the string, it's still really, really cute, and I'm obsessed with this dress. I cannot wait to wear it. Like, someone invite me somewhere because honestly, I will wear this dress. Like, I just can't wait. I just can't wait to wear this dress. Okay, guys, that is the end of the haul. I'm so sorry that this was super long, and again, I'm so sorry that it wasn't a try-on haul, but I will post a styling video on these pieces. Some of these pieces, obviously not all. Some of these pieces will be featured in that video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!